Hey guys, welcome to our channel, The Worthy Crew. So in today's video, we are going to show you how you can get access to more than 9,000 Udemy courses for free. Yes guys, for free. And you don't have to pay a single penny. And I'm not going to suggest you any kind of illegal methods like use torrent or something else, but we will be giving you step-by-step tutorial to get the access to the courses with the legal and tested ways. So guys, thank you so much for coming back and hanging out with me on this video. And if you are new to this channel, thank you so much for tuning in for the first time, and do subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to never miss a video from the Worthy Crew. So without wasting any time guys, let's start the video. Now you can see the screen of my desktop guys, and first of all I'm going to tell you the 3 different websites that we are going to use in today's tutorial to get the access to most of the Udemy courses, and that's also for free. You don't have to pay a single dollar. So those 3 websites are Disc Udemy, Coupon Scorpion, and Online Courses. In my case, most of the times I am able to get all the courses I'm looking for from discudemy.com, and in case if my course which I'm looking for is not on Discudemy, I always go with Coupon Scorpion, and after that Online Courses. And in today's video I'm gonna show you how you can get the access to those courses by using these 3 websites. So let's go with this website, Disc Udemy. Control C, I'm gonna open my Google Chrome. Control V, that's www.discudemy.com. Press enter. Okay, so now you can see the web page, the main page of Disc Udemy website. Here you can see free English Udemy courses here. So you have to click on this one. Okay guys, so these all are the courses which are available here for free, and these all are Udemy courses. You can scroll down and have a look. So if you can see, there are around 371 pages, or maybe more than 371 pages available which just have the Udemy courses. And how many courses are on one page? 4, 8, 12, 16 courses guys on one page. And how many pages? It's 371. Let me do some calculations. 371 multiplied by 16, so there are around 5,936 free Udemy courses available on Disc Udemy. And now I'm gonna show you how to get the access to these courses, and that's also for free. So let's go with this course, Learn to Code with Python 3. Okay guys, so they have given here that the course price is $109. Let me see what's the price of this course on Udemy itself. So let me copy this, and I'm going to open udemy.com just to see what's the cost of this course on Udemy. And let me paste it, enter. So we have to look for this image, and what's the professor's name? The publisher's name is Joseph. So there we go. This is the second course guys. So Learn to Code with Python 3, publisher Joseph. Learn to Code with Python 3, and with the same publisher guys. So here the cost of the course is $13.99 guys, and we are going to get access to this course for free using discudemy.com, and I'm gonna tell you how. You just have to click on take course, and you will be given with a link. You have to enter this link, and that's it guys. You can see a free tag here. Let me go to udemy.com. Let me click on this course, and here it's $13.99. Oh, I'm sorry, my mistake, I played the video. So here it's $13.99. Here it's free. So what you guys have to do, you have to add it to the cart. You have to go to cart. So also here the subtotal is free. So as I already told you guys, we are not going to give you any kind of illegal methods. As you can see here, the kind of code is applied through Disc Udemy, and you are going to get the access of this course inside the Udemy official website. So what you have to do, you have to check out billing address, province. You don't have to give your card details. It's $0.00. You just have to press enroll now, and you have already been enrolled in this course guys. You can go to my courses, So you get the access to this course for free, guys. You didn't have to pay a single dollar. So let's go back to the disk Udemy again. I'm going to remove this, enter. Don't worry guys, I'm going to give you all those 3 websites link in the video description so that you can directly use them. Again, I'm going to enter free English Udemy courses, and oh, we have new courses in here, guys. First, the courses were different. So which course you want to go with now? Let's go with this first one again, Ultimate Photoshop CC Absolute Beginner course. Again, the price course given here is $109, and I'm sure on udemy.com it's not going to be $109 because there is always some kind of sale going on Udemy. And let me copy paste this on you. I'm going to close this. Let me copy paste here, and we have to look for this image again, guys. And again, this is for $13.99, guys. And here we again have to click on take course, click on this link, guys, and we have the free course again, add to cart, same steps again, guys. Check out. Again, we have applied a coupon code and we are getting the access of this course directly from Udemy official website. So check out, and now you have 2 courses. As you can see, this is the first course and this is the second course, and that's also for free. And I have saved, guys, around $30 in just 5 or 6 minutes. So this is how, guys, you can use diskudemy.com. And let's say in case you are not able to get any course from Diskudemy you are looking for, then don't worry, we have another option, which is couponscorpion.com. Let's copy this, let's paste in place of Diskudemy, couponscorpion.com, and here we have the free Udemy courses on couponscorpion.com. And let's say which course you want to go with. Just that, if you can see, guys, this is the course which we just got access from Diskudemy. And let's go with which course, guys? Let's go with this one, Learn and Understand Node.js from Scratch. Here, let's copy paste this again, the course name, and see what's the cost of this course on Udemy. We have to look for this image. I think it's this, and again it's $13.99, guys. Here you can get it for free. What do you have to do? You have to scroll down. No. So what you have to do, you have to click on get coupon code. And again, guys, it's free. Add to cart and check out, guys. Enroll now. And now we have 3 different courses, guys, and that's also again for free. We are again on the home page of Coupon Scorpion, and let's go with any other course, guys. Which one? Let's go on page number 2 this time. And which course? Let's go with the podcast pacing for audience engagement. Let's see what's the price of this course on Udemy. Podcast pacing for audience engagement. Let's go here, copy, paste. Okay, there are 3 different courses. What we have to look for is, okay, so we have to look for this girl in the middle. So this is the course, guys, podcast pacing for audience engagement. It's again $13.99, guys. I've already told you what you guys have to do. Get coupon code. It's free, guys. Add to your card, go to card, and then you just have to check out. You have this coupon code, enroll now. And now we have, it's still enrolling, guys. Now we have, I think we should have 4 courses now. Yeah, we have 4 courses now, and that's for free, guys. So this was the second website, guys, which I used to get the access to the Udemy courses. And let's say if you have a bad luck and you were not able to find your course on couponscorpion.com, then what you have to do, you have to go with our third option, that is onlinecourses.oo. You have to paste it, click. Okay, so here are all the Udemy courses, guys, and as you can see, they have 9100 active coupons. So that means there are around 9100 Udemy courses, and that's also for free. That's insane, guys. That's insane. So let's do let's go with which course manage anxiety while in isolation, Facebook dynamic ads. Let's go with this one. This looks interesting. Facebook dynamic ads mastery. Okay, so let me copy this and see what's the price of this course on Udemy. Okay, so we have this image, guys. So we have to look for this one again. $13.99, guys. We are getting this course for free. We have to click to redeem, and again that's free, guys. So this is how, guys, you can save a lot of money when you are buying courses from Udemy. You don't have to pay a single penny. You can just go to these 3 different websites: Disc, Udemy, Coupon Scorpion, online courses, and you can save a lot of dollars. So thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. If you guys like this video, please share it with your friends, and please do subscribe our channel, The Worthy Crew. See you next time.